Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Sir Fahad Ali again with a new video. This video is about business studies. The syllabus code is 7115. This is the first video of business studies. The name is Introduction to Business Studies. So we would start with the business studies concept. But first of all, we would learn what is business studies. What is business? As far as business is concerned, any activity carried out in order to earn profit. Every business is fond of earning profit, and every business is conducted in order to earn profit so that it can survive, or it can either invest it back into the business, because there are several businesses which are donation businesses, so they invest in their own business. But as a usual concept, it is very necessary for every business to make a profit, because businesses are not there to make a loss or make a break even or to survive only. They have to make a profit. So after looking for the definition of business studies, we would go to the needs and wants concept. This is the chapter 1 of business studies book, the Karen Borrington book, which I refer to all the students. The first thing is needs. What is a need? Needs are those things necessary for our life, because needs are those things without which we cannot live as human beings. On the other hand side, wants are those things which are not necessary for life, but why we need those things? We ought to have those things in order to get comfort or pleasure from them. Needs, such as the examples of needs, include the food, water, shelter and clothing, whereas wants include the cars, ACs, TVs and etc. Okay. The next thing is the scarcity concept. The scarcity is when there is a shortage of resources. Resources is a new term for you in business studies. Later on we will unpack this term. We will get to know what are resources in business studies. The next thing is the basic economic problem. We all face the basic economic problem in every society. As a business studies student, we need to go through this basic economic problem. We should learn what is the basic economic problem. The basic economic problem is limited resources versus unlimited wants. As far as resources are concerned, again and again I am using this term. So limited resources are the factors of production. I would unpack this term later on, but keep this in mind, that whenever I refer to the resources, these are factors of production. This basic economic problem compels us to make a choice out of the available options. For example, if you have a limited resource, financial resources, you have 500 in your pocket and you want to buy everything. Can you buy everything? No, obviously it is not possible for you to buy everything. So you have to go for a choice. So this is the main thing. As we have limited resources and unlimited wants, so we have to make a choice. By making a choice, we get the concept of opportunity cost. How? What is the concept of opportunity cost? Opportunity cost says it is the next best alternative given up. For example, I was thinking to buy 2 pens, and I have a choice of whether to buy the 2 pens or a notebook. Then I prefer to go for 2 pens, and I left out the pens. I have given up the the notebook. I have given up the notebook as a choice. So the thing which is left as a choice would become an opportunity cost. It is the cost of that opportunity which I took. The opportunity was the 2 pens. The next thing is the resources. Resources are the factors of production. There are 4 factors of production, namely land, labor, capital and enterprise. Land includes the extraction of physical resources, and it includes all the things related to nature, such as water, such as soil and these things. For you people, I would suggest the land is everything related to the nature. So keep this in mind. The second factor of production is the labor. It includes the mental and physical efforts of human beings. So some sort of efforts would be made by the human beings, and some sort of efforts would be made by the persons who are working in an organization. Whether there might be some mental efforts or there might be some physical effort, but at times we see that there is a combination of both. The third is the capital. These are the man-made tools made in order to make goods or services. Man-made tools. In economics and business studies, we would again and again refer to this term capital, and we would say these are the man-made tools. But in accounting, we would say that capital is the investment, initial investment made by a business. But in economics and business study, it is both the initial investment and the man-made tools used in order to make goods or services. The next is the enterprise. It is the know-how or ability to run a production process, which would come with the knowledge, which is the knowledge part, how to run a business. But there are something as far as entrepreneur. The book sometimes give the definition of entrepreneur. enterprise is skills. It is not concerned about the person. Skills are acquired by a person, but skills are nothing on its own. We cannot say it is something on a standalone basis. But as far as entrepreneur is concerned, sometimes the book gives the definition of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is an individual who is a risk taker in a business. So it is always used for an individual entrepreneur term. The acronym is CEL: capital, enterprise, land and labor. The next is the division of labor. It is the dividing up of the whole production process in parts so that each worker is responsible for one task. We would divide our whole production process, which would include 6 or 7 stages, such that the whole production process is given to the 6 to 7 workers, divided into the equal parts. Obviously there are some advantages. Advantages include efficiency will increase because everyone would be focusing on one task, then there would be some sort of efficiency because workers would get efficient in doing the same task again and again. The second thing is there will be more accountability. So accountability, sorry for the definition, I would correct it here, the spelling, accountability. But as far as the accountability is concerned, when I am giving a task to more people, so it would be difficult for me to make anyone accountable for the task because 6 people would be responsible for one task. But now everyone will be responsible for their own task, then it would be easier for me to make them more accountable and ask them why they have given a low output. Okay. And the last advantage is the more output. As efficiency, it is linked with the efficiency. As the efficiency would increase, there would be more output. We can sell those output and we can increase our profit. So these are all the advantages. Then next comes the disadvantage. It includes more dependency of workers, as the whole production process is always connected with the production processes. So if, for example, worker A cannot complete a task, then it would be difficult for worker B to go further to complete his task because he will always be dependent on worker A. So it would be difficult to complete the whole production process of one unit. So that's why it is saying dependency of workers on each other. The second thing is training cost. It would be costly for the company to train the workers on one task, so it would cost them a lot in terms of the training cost. And the last thing is the boredom. Obviously after some time, if a person is doing the same task again and again, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a painter, whether it is a cobbler, or whether it is a painter, so again and again if the person is doing the same task, then it would create boredom for that person because he is doing the task again and again. So it would be difficult for him to perform that task with the enthusiasm which was there when he initially started that task or that job. Okay, so this was the end of first video. So I would like you all to don't forget to like the video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, Fahad Ali Commerce Faculty. I post videos on accounting, economics and business studies according to the new syllabus, the 2020 syllabus. Okay, do subscribe the video, do subscribe the channel so that you can get notifications in future when I will be posting more videos. Like the video. If you have any query, any problem, any question, then you can go into the comment section and comment down below. Stay blessed, stay inspired and wish you all the very best. Allah Hafiz.